Hi, buddy. Guess what, buddy? You're going home today. You are going home, and you don't have to deal with the annoying teen kittens anymore. Yeah, you're going home. You're gonna be so spoiled and loved. Howdy. Is that your adopter coming in? We don't know. Oh yeah, I'm gonna miss you. Come here, Howdy. Will you come over here? Yeah. Oh, you're gonna go back to bed. Okay, that's understandable. Howdy. Yeah. Come on. There he is. Howdy Do is going home. No more Howdy. Oh, gotta get a snack before you go. Yeah. Lots of butt scratches. No? No butt scratches? Oh, you're so soft. You look so much better. You look so much better. Your fur's almost coming back. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah, I'm gonna miss you so much. I know. No, but you deserve a nice home. Get pampered. Look at those big feet. Sorry. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. What are you doing in there? Come on. Yeah. You want to take a nap again? That's understandable. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. I know. I love you, Howie.